Welcome to this week's video. It's been a while that I uploaded a woodworking video. Last video, I'm not in focus here, there we go. Last two videos were from our little staycation we did in Oklahoma City. Pretty cool. I try to mix family activities with woodworking, kind of keep it a little interesting behind the scenes and so on. Yeah, this week's video we are talking about or looking at this sign here. My focus is having a hard time keeping up. Okay, we're talking about this logo here. I'm going to put an image on the screen so you can see what the customer gave me. But customer wanted, here was an American flag in the background, American flag colors, and customer wanted that removed, so I had to take all that out. Basically reconstruct the entire logo from scratch in Adobe Illustrator. Then I exported it and took it into VCarve Pro and then finished it in VCarve Pro and then laid down the toolpath in VCarve Pro as well. And yeah, very challenging. I think that's probably gonna be in the top 3 logos that I ever created that in terms of toughness. I struggled quite a bit, but I got it done. Sometimes it takes a while, but I like challenges, and the outcome is really cool. I think that's one of the coolest logos I ever carved. Overall, 23-inch long sign, 7 inches wide. It's pine, totally sanded like 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Dark walnut stain, finished with a water-based polyurethane. Comes with 2 sawtooth hangers pre-installed. All you have to do is hang it on the wall and it's ready to go. These signs sell for $44.95 on my website. Plus on this, obviously you have to pay a design fee. In this case, I charged $30 and that was about 2.5 hours of work, I believe it was. So yeah, that's the cost of doing business. Apparently, I try to feed a family here. So let's not get too carried away. We're starting with the programming, and then after that we're getting into the machining and the final assembly and work and everything. All right, enjoy.